Very famous, sir. We shall go by this program. Next. What is your only lady councillor. There was 4 councillors. You brought it above 10,000.
You, but I have come here to listen, to know their views,
Only 8%.
to understand the organization, to understand their aspirations. And then we will go back, I'll contact Congress President and we will take immediate decision because we want to reorganize, restructure, consolidate and strengthen this organization.